So today we're actually very privileged to have Adosia here with Fable, who's going to show us how to put together an Arduino system for motion detection. And she's going to show my son all the parts and pieces and how they go together. Fable, can you tell us what we have here?
So this is the LED strips, the connector, the board top with the motion sensor, the board base,
very cool,
the power supply, and my pumpkin. The top of the board is connected with the motion detector with the board base. So what he's doing right now is plugging the first end in. And now what I'm doing, I'm plugging the second end into the motion detector. The LED strip into channel 1. Okay, we're going to put the power supply cord in. And then now let's get our device and plug it in. Okay, now that's done. Okay, we finished our pumpkin and then we're going to program it and test it tonight.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and create a new profile. Pumpkin nightlight. And so we've got a blank profile. All we need to do is this motor switch channel 1. We just need to set it to a valve, actually a motor switch, and set it to trigger. We're going to set it to trigger for 5 minutes, which is 300 seconds, and click deploy. It's now deployed. What we're going to do for the digital IO1, we have a motion detector assigned, and we are going to set it to trigger the pin we just set up when it reaches a detect. And that's all we need to do. So whenever motion is detected, it's going to trigger this switch, which is going to run for 300 seconds. And on the other end of this, we're going to have the light plugged in. And that's it. That's all you got to do to set up your profile. To add it to your device, come down here, find your device, and what you want to do is just scroll down and add your profile to your device. And save your details, and your device is ready to go.
Okay, now we're going to test the nightlight we made today. See it lit up?